The 14th term is 2/3, which means a sub 14 equals 2 over 3. The 9th term is 1/4, which means a sub 9 equals 1 over 4. Find the first term, a sub 1, and the n terms formula a sub n of this arithmetic sequence. Knowing that this is the arithmetic sequence, it has the general formula a sub n equals the initial term, which we do not know, plus d, which is the common difference, we do not know, and then n minus 1. Remember that n minus 1 is a part of the formula. We're looking for a and d. Now, d is the common difference, but in arithmetic sequence, another term for d is the slope. This is the common difference, the rate of change. And to find the slope, we just need 2 points. The index is the input, which means that when n equals 14, f of n, or the output is 2/3. When n equals 9, the output is 1/4. Using these 2 points, we find that the slope, or the difference, is 2/3 minus 1/4. This is similar to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We can take 1/4 minus 2/3, but in the denominator it has to be 9 minus 14. Regardless, we will get 5 over 12 in the numerator and 5 in the denominator. And so simplifying this, we have 1 over 12. 2/3 minus 1/4, the common denominator is 12. And so we would multiply 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. And then 4 times 3, 12. 1 times 3 is 3. 8 minus 3 is 5 in the numerator. And 12 is the common denominator in the numerator. In the denominator, 14 minus 5 is 5. And so d is 1 over 12. We update our equation. A sub n is now a plus 1 over 12 n minus 1. And again, n minus 1 is the part of the formula. We're looking for a and d, and we found d. Next, we use any given point to find a. The output is 1/4 for the input 9. So we replace n with 9 and a sub n with 1/4. This is 1/4 equals a plus 9 minus 1 is 8 in the numerator, 12 in the denominator. And so a equals 1/4 minus 8 over 12. The common denominator here is 12. So we multiply 3, multiply 3. Yes, we could have simplified this number, but without simplifying this, we have 3 minus 8, which is 5. The denominator is 12, and this is negative 5. So negative 5 over 12. The nth term formula, or simply put, the n terms of the arithmetic sequence is therefore a sub n equals the initial term, a, we found that is negative 5 over 12. The common difference, it is 1 over 12. And again, in the arithmetic sequence, the n minus 1 factor is part of it. This is the n terms of the arithmetic sequence. And the first term, a sub 1, we also found it, negative 5 over 12. We're done with this problem. We solved it. We found the first term and the n term formula. Alternatively, knowing that the formula for the arithmetic sequence is a sub n equals a plus d times n minus 1, and we're given 2 terms. First, when n equals 14, so a sub 14 equals, we don't know, a plus d, and then we replace n with 14. The output is 2/3. The 9th term, so when n equals 9, we have a plus d, 9 minus 1. The output is 1/4. This will give us the system of equation a plus 13d equals 2/3. And the second equation is a plus 8d equals 1/4. If we were to solve the system of equation, we will get a and d as an alternative method to the method that we used earlier. We should get the same answer regardless.